Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the iPad and initiating the update. Make sure the device is charged to at least 50% or keep it plugged in. Power loss during install can brick the device. Once done, confirm you have a current backup on iCloud or iTunes so you can restore data if needed. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and open settings. Go to General, then Software Update to check for available updates and start the download when it appears. After you tap Download, monitor the progress and keep the iPad on a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Pausing or switching networks can fail the download. When prompted, enter your passcode and accept the software license. This authorizes the installation and lets the system update protected settings. The iPad will verify the update package and prepare the install. Make sure it remains awake and plugged in. During installation, the screen will go black and the device will reboot automatically. This process typically lasts 10 to 30 minutes. When the iPad finishes, follow the on-screen setup assistant. Sign into your Apple ID, verify settings, and restore from the backup if you chose to. Make sure apps update and check settings to confirm the new iOS version. If the update fails, retry the download, free up storage, or connect the iPad to a Mac or PC and update via iTunes. This often resolves verification issues. As a final troubleshooting step, perform a DFU restore with iTunes after making a fresh backup to recover a non-responsive device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.